Yeah, hello gentlemen. This is Poster Technical. So we are here in a client house, and this is the lithium battery that this client have. The Boo 48 volts system. It has to be parallel. That is to have a logger backup. And if you can see this place, we have uh, Felicity charge controller, and we have a Prague, and this customer also went and get other Felicity inverter. So both inverters, they are working. As you can see, clicks. We are here. We have 35 ports. But at the any good installer will always give you price, but at the end, it's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's when there's a problem before they start calling the right people, the competent personnel to do the job. Please, I'm using this medium to advise customers, go for a competent installer. If not, you'll see that there will be fire outbreak. Yes, can fire outbreak can happen. It can happen, fire outbreak can happen. As you can see, it can happen because the person that is doing the job is not what? Competent. Let me also use this opportunity to advise customers and installers. This setup is a wrong setup. You can see this lithium battery. It's a different brand. This is the Boo, and this is Prague. This is Felicity, and this is Felicity charge controller. It's a wrong setup because they are not communicating. The battery is not communicating, the inverter is not communicating, and the lithium, the charge controller is not communicating with this battery. You are about to have problems. Always set, after doing such installation, try to set your cutoff so that the battery will not go on BMS and slip off. So we are creating this video to create an awareness and also to sensitize the public. If you don't know what you are doing in this industry, please go and learn. Ask questions. Ask questions. Learn so that you not cause more problem and cause more. As I just imagine this, all of this place caught fire. We are coming here to work on it, but now we have done our best to set the cutoff and the cable side. Just imagine, you can just please come with camera. You can see the you can see the damage. So I look at the cable size. So we are also going to change it. We have already informed the client that the cable size is bad, is poor, and there is no protection. That we are still coming to work on it. But the customer is using it now. So we are going back to the market to get the right material to fix it up. So remain blessed. This is Process Technical. As I said, you can reach us on our phone number 0703749 or you can also write us on our page. We are here to guide you and give you all the information you are looking for. Remember, our mission is one youth, three skills. Remember, bless and God.